The story of the Frisky Family Three begins not in England, but in Cairo, Egypt. Captain Raymond Flower, a British racing driver and managing director of the Cairo Motor Company Limited, conceived the idea of building affordable, lightweight automobiles for everyday Egyptians in the mid-1950s. He planned to name the company Phoenix and the first model Ramesses. The Suez Crisis of 1956 ended that ambition abruptly. British nationals were no longer welcome in Egypt, and Flower returned to England with his blueprints. He approached Henry Meadows Vehicles Limited in Wolverhampton, an established manufacturer of automotive and industrial engines. Design engineer Gordon Bedson, previously responsible for the first Kieft sports car, joined the project alongside project engineer Keith Peckmore. Their first prototype, built in 1956, had a bulbous fiberglass body with gull-wing doors, a brazed steel ladder chassis, a Villiers air-cooled 250 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine driving the rear wheels by chain, and earned the nickname the Bug for its appearance. In December 1956, the Bug completed a 7-day, 24-hour endurance test at Oulton Park, covering 4,000 miles, 6,400 kilometers, with a fastest lap of 54.91 miles per hour. The media picked up the story, inadvertently calling it the Phoenix minicar. For the production body, Flower contacted Carrozzeria Vignale in Turin. Their young designer, Giovanni Michelotti, later hugely influential in British automotive design, produced a striking gull-wing body sent directly to the 1957 Geneva Motor Show. The gull-wing doors were eventually dropped as impractical and too expensive, and the revised car debuted at the 1957 Earl's Court Show as the Frisky Sport, entering production in March 1958. It was capable of 65 miles per hour, exceptional for a microcar of its era. By late 1958, the company had formally become Frisky Cars Limited. The Frisky Family Three, introduced in January 1959, was the first three-wheeled model. It retained the sports styling, but featured a new hardtop body shell, a revised A-arm and coilover shock front suspension, replacing the earlier Dubonnet setup, and a single-cylinder 197 cubic centimeters Villiers engine with 4 speeds and an electrical reverse. The motor simply ran backwards. Lucas Electrics replaced the earlier Y-Pack units. 3 wheels placed it in a lower tax bracket, and anyone holding a motorcycle license could legally drive one, broadening the potential customer base significantly. Production ran until July 1959. A Mark II followed in 1960, and the final Michelotti design under the Frisky name was the Prince. By 1961, Frisky Cars Limited had closed. The rise of the Mini and Fiat 500 had effectively killed the microcar market. Total production across all models reached approximately 1,500 units. Today, only around 75 Frisky vehicles are believed to survive. Among the rarest is a one-off Frisky Family Three convertible, a standard coupe modified under previous ownership, making it the only convertible example in existence. It has appeared at auction with R.M. Sotheby's carrying a guide price of $30,000 to $40,000, a testament to just how collectible these obscure machines have become.